guys, so today's video is about I'll show you guys a simple way to wash your makeup brushes and blenders. The next video was supposed to be about a normal a daily makeup routine process, but I thought it's a good idea to show you guys how to wash your brushes, because at the end of the day, the last video we did was our facial cleansing routine. The next video will be about the makeup routine, and at the end of the day, if you're using the best products in the market, you're using the best makeup in the market, you wash your face well, and the equipment that you use at the end of the day to do your makeup are dirty, you're actually doing a zero work at the end of the day. So today's tutorial will be just a short one. I'll show you guys how to wash your makeup brushes in a simple way, just in the house. Yes, if you didn't watch my last video, please go back to YouTube. The link is still in my bio, in my IG and Facebook also. Please go watch it and don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and also I got a couple of questions after that video. I'll be posting especially about people with acne on their face. They asked me about the products, the best products to use and everything. So tomorrow, check my IG page. I'll post a photo of the best products I think are the best to use if you have acne problem. So for today's video, tip number 1: when you decide to wash your makeup brushes and blenders, don't be in a hurry. That's my first tip. If you don't have time, you better even wash them another day, because they take a lot of patience. You really have to rinse and wash, especially the blenders. Sorry, you really have to keep washing them and rinsing and washing and rinsing and washing and rinsing, because they really take a lot of time before they get clean. So what we're going to only to use 2 things. The first thing is your normal dishwashing liquid soap. So me, I'm going to use Sunlight. And the second thing that you're going to use is olive oil, extra virgin if you can find one. This is mainly to maintain the quality of the bristles, to make them softer, to make them not, what do you call them? Not to, okay, you get what I'm trying to say. So we are going to start with that. Just take a normal household bowl. Put put a little bit of soap there, and put the same amount of olive oil, the same amount you put for the soap. So I'm not going to wash all this today. I'm just going to show you guys with like two makeup brushes, yeah, and all, just to show you how it's done. So I'm going to put this away so that it doesn't fall again. So step number 1, this I had already washed just now. What you want to do, use lukewarm water, don't use hot water or extra cold water. You just dip the brush in the solution, and then you use the palm of your hand. Just keep rubbing. You can already see the foundation. Keep doing that and that. And then another tip, always have the brush facing down. You don't want the water to damage the glue that's holding the bristles together. So even if you're rinsing the brush, always have it facing downwards. So you will keep doing that till this solution, this soap solution on your palm turns white. That's when you know your makeup brush. See, it's a little bit disgusting, but it's just foundation. You keep doing this. while rinsing, you can put the brush in between your index finger and your thumb, and you gently squeeze all the soap on the makeup. So we'll keep doing that till I'm satisfied the brush is clean. My foam is already turning white. Also look at the water, the color of the water after rinsing. If it's clear, it means your brush is also clean. So I am satisfied with my brush right now. And you put it there. I'll explain to you the drying process afterwards. Let me show you one last time with another brush. Same process. Rub it gently with the palm of your hand, especially the brush that you use to apply foundation. You should take a little bit more time with it. Like this one is a foundation brush. I say, it takes a lot of patience. Don't do this in a hurry. So next I'm going to show you guys how to wash the blender. So here is where your patience is going to be really tested. So it's the same process as the brush. You just dip it in the solution. But here you'll use your thumb more. You keep squeezing all the foundation out till you're satisfied, till it turns to its original color. So here, even in the video, I'm not going to completely, because it might even take a whole hour to do this. I'm just showing you guys how it's done. So you keep doing that, rinsing. Mine is already even getting clean. You gently squeeze all the foundation that's even entered inside the blender. You keep doing that. It's going. You can already see mine is changing to its original color. You can even still use the palm of your hand again. The stick becomes stubborn. Especially the tip part is usually very hard to remove. Actually, I thought it would take time. Apparently my blender was very clean. It's already clean, as you can see. sure you've rinsed all the soap inside, giving it a gentle squeeze. Keep doing that till I'm satisfied it's completely clean, because I usually use this part mostly. Actually don't use the tip a lot. My foam is already even white. I'm not chunking any foundation. Satisfied that it's clean. So as you can see, washing all these brushes, and some people even have up to 2 or 3 blenders, it actually takes time. So never be in a hurry to wash them. And I would advise you guys to get 2 sets of brushes, because when you're leaving the others to dry, you can use the other set instead of putting them out in the sun to dry, because the drying process, most people put the brushes in between a clean towel. You can put the brushes in between a clean towel, just one fold like that, and you leave them to dry on their own. Or you can put them on your windowsill and leave them overnight. Avoid to put your brushes on direct sunlight, under direct sunlight, because you damage the bristles. So I'd advise you guys, when you're waiting for the other brushes to dry up, at least you have a backup set of brushes, instead of making the process putting them under direct sunlight so that they can dry faster. At the end, you're going to damage your brushes. So whichever process is good for you, you can put them in between a towel, or you can put them on your windowsill and wait till morning, they'll be dry the way you want it. And that is all for today. So please do this step at least once a week. If you apply makeup every day, do this step, take time, wash your blenders, wash your brushes, to avoid damaging your face also, because the more you expose your face to dirt, as much as you wash your face how many times, it really won't help at the end of the day. So thank you guys for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.